Welcome back to TechKidFX for another GRT price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has fully maximized the minimum target areas in that wave 2, highlighted here on the chart using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.2325 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, now my primary scenario is that on the long-term scenarios, whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios. And before I give you the short-term scenarios, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to jump to the 1-hour chart, because that is where that is better seen, where you can see that here on the 1-hour chart, after seeing our low within this red target area down there, we started this impulsive wave to the upside, having a 5-wave structure completing the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. Then we started this impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. But you can see that after making a high at around the $0.1762 mark, we started another breakdown to the lower side in a move that has now given us a reset of this higher Elliot wave count 2 within this blue target area. And since we have seen a reset of that second wave, then my primary scenario still remains to be that we are in the formation of that wave 3. And for the wave 3 to play out, there are key moves that we need to see here on the GRT chart. And the first one is an impulsive wave to the upside in a 5-wave structure in the formation of this wave 3. So that is the first move that I'm expecting over here, to see a 5-wave structure having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And for this move to also play out and also give us higher prices in this wave 3, I'm watching for a break above this swing high at around the $0.1755 mark. And the moment we continue gearing up and see a break above that high, then that will be enough confirmation of the impulsiveness and also the breakout to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And sketching out minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.241 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting GRT to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 65 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.